Hello, thank you for joining me back here at Radical Raspberry. There is no one way to breathe properly, but there are techniques to breathe optimally. In this video, we're going to run through 3 of them. This first breath is incredibly calming. It is known as nature's own sedative, or as I like to call it, the Darth Vader one. We're going to start with putting our hand in the front of our face, so our hand and wrist are central to our chin. Then we're going to place our middle finger and index finger in the center between our eyebrows. Then you're going to place your ring finger onto your left nostril and thumb onto the right nostril. The goal here is to be able to open and close each nostril easily. Let's start by breathing in through our right nostril while closing off our left. Then we will close off the right nostril and breathe out of our left. Breathe into your left nostril while closing off your right. Then close your left nostril and breathe out of your right. This is 1 round. You can do up to 12 rounds or more. Notice how you feel afterwards. This breath helps relax your nervous system, which will allow you to turn off stress and welcome you into a deeper, relaxed state. This second breath is for cleansing. It's a great way to re-energize, and it removes excess carbon dioxide. We're going to start standing up with our feet hip distance apart, our hands on our thighs. We will slowly raise them up as we inhale. Use a slight back bend, hold it, and then we are going to bend all the way forward and exhale, making the sound ha, this ha noise. Ha. Subscribe. Since this is a powerful breath, it is recommended to only do it 3 times in one session. You can see me doing it 3 times here. We're going to exhale, bending at our hips. Allow your upper body to hang loose toward the floor as you breathe out, making that ha noise. That would be 1 round. So we slowly inhale while raising up, doing a slight back bend, not straining ourselves. And then we exhale, letting go at the hips, letting it loose, going ah. And 1 more time. Inhale and let it out. I promise you I felt so much more energized after. This last breath is for my visualization lovers and for my deep belly breathers. Lay down, feel free to put a pillow behind your head. I invite you to tuck your chin so that your neck is longer. Just get comfortable. You can put your feet up to support your lower back even more. Once you have observed your natural breathing pattern for a bit, imagine your body as an umbrella leading up to your lower throat. When you breathe air into your lungs through your nose, think of it as opening up the umbrella, moving both upward and outward as your ribs lift and widen. Make sure you don't lift your shoulders in the process. And when you breathe out of your nose, you're closing the umbrella, shrinking the rib cage back down and drawing your belly inward. Your belly acts as a fastener, just like those on an umbrella. When you take in your next deep breath, release your belly from its hold and slowly let your rib cage expand upward and outward as you open out the umbrella again. Make sure not to force your belly out and just do what is comfortable. As you continue breathing in and out, you can speed up the in-breath and attempt to lengthen the out-breath. Do it as long as you feel comfortable with, expanding your belly and breathing deep. The last breathing technique is definitely the strangest, but I find it very helpful to increase your focus by adding a visual element and connecting it to the breath. Let me know if you try any of these techniques out. I would love to know. You can let me know on Instagram at radical.raspberry or just comment down below. Definitely thumbs this video up if you enjoyed and subscribe for more because I post meditation and holistic health videos. I will see you next time, and as always, don't forget to think beyond and